Hey guys, hope so you are doing well. So here is one another video from Wizy all. Here we will try to divide a number ending with 5 within in 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so let's start by dividing a number with 5. Let's take one example. For an example, you have to find how to divide. Uh, let's take one easy example. Okay, so you have to find the value of 124 divided by 5. Okay, so here in the first step what you will do, you will convert 5 in the form of 10 by 2. Okay, so as you know that 10 by 2 when written in this form, the whole result become 124 into 2 divided by 10. Here one thing is that 5 when written as 10 by 2 will not result in any change of the value. Okay, so why we have done this? Because it's easy to divide a number, it's easy to multiply a number with 2 rather than to divide it with 5. Okay, so 124 into 2 will result in 248 and divided by 10. Now you can simply divide 248 by 10, it will be 24.8. Let's take one another example. For an example, you have to find 57 divided by 5. Okay, so here mentally let's do this. Okay, so 5 will written in the form of 10 into 2, so this will result in 114 divided by 10, so the whole value becomes 11.4. okay, so this is your answer. Let's take one another example. For an example, 73 divided by 5, so what its value will be 6.14. I hope so that till now you are able to do this calculations mentally. You can do further calculations also. For an example, find the value of 48 divided by 5, 119 divided by 5, 734 divided by 5. As the value increases, it will relatively become more easier to multiply it with 2 rather than to divide it with 5. So there the result will become more effective. Okay, so let's take another thing where we have to divide a number ending with 25. Okay, so for an example, 124 divided by 25. From the previous part of the video, you have found that 124 when divided by 5 you were able to do it mentally, but when have to divide by 25, you need pen and paper. Okay, so how to make this easy? To make this easy, in the first step what you will do, you will convert 25 in the form of 100 divided by 4. Okay, so the result become 124 into 4 divided by 100. As earlier said, it's easy to multiply 4 with 124 rather than to divide 124 by 25. Okay, so here the result will be 416 1 8, and this will be 496 divided by 100, so the final result will become 4.96. Let's take one other example. For an example, you have to divide 70. Let's make it a bigger number, 774 divided by 25. Let's try to do it mentally. Okay, so 774 when divided by 25, in the first step we will change 774 into 4 divided by 100. Okay, so it will result in 6 9 30 divided by 100. The final value will be 30.96. In the similar fashion, let's divide 1789 by 25. What will the first step? First step will be to multiply this number with 4. Okay, so 9 4 is 36, 3, 8 4 32, 35 3, 7 4 28, 31 3, 7, and then divide this number with 100. So the final result will be 71.56. Okay, let's now divide a number that ends with 125. Okay, so for an example, you have to divide 794 only with 125. Here in the first step what you will do, you will convert 120, sorry, this is 120. We will convert 125 in the form of 1000 by 8. Okay, so Here now it becomes 794 into 8 divided by 100. So it will become 8432 3 9872 375 7 8756 763 divided by 100. So the final result will become 63.52. Okay, similarly you can find the value for 1 1 2 7 8 divided by 125. Now here you can see that why this result becomes more effective. Okay, 11278 into 8 divided by 100. So 8864 6 8756 62 6 82 16 2198 divided by 100. So 892.24. This will be your answer for this question. You can simply take the values for find the values for other as well. On uh, which thing this trick is based upon? So this trick is based upon the fact that 5 square 5 cube is the value for 5, 25 and 125. So for each and respective of this, we will convert them in the form of 10 divided by 2. Here also this will be written as 10 by 2 raised to the power 2. 125 can be written as 10 divided by 2 raised to the power 3, and similarly you can find for others as well. For example, 5 raised to the power 4 is equal to 625. So when a number needs to be divided with, for example, you have to divide 1 2 7 8 9 by 625. So here what you can do, you can convert 1 2 7 8 9 in the form of, here it is 5 raised to the power 4, so it will be 10 divided by 2 raised to the power 4. So 1 2 7 8 9 will be 1000 into 16, sorry, it will be 10,000 and this will be into 16. Okay, and you can find the value for this. The value for this, solve it in your mind. Okay, so the value for this will be 2046.24. okay, so this will be your final value. Similarly you can do it for any other values that can be written in the power of 5. I So thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope so you like it, and for other upcoming tricks please do like and subscribe the